Welcome to the future of luxury travel. Today, we're stepping inside a motorhome unlike anything you've ever seen before. Exterior. This isn't your average motorhome, it's a Ferrari-inspired luxury RV, painted in a striking metallic pink finish with bold Ferrari branding. The design combines supercar aerodynamics with the size of a luxury villa on wheels. Sleek curves, futuristic headlights, low-profile racing wheels, and multiple levels make it look like a hypercar turned into a mansion. The glass panels and huge upper deck windows give it a modern, futuristic look, while the golden Ferrari logos highlight its prestige. Interior. Inside, it feels like a five-star hotel. You get a double-deck layout with open lounge spaces, luxury seating, and even a private stairway connecting levels. The ground floor looks like a stylish living area with leather couches, LED lighting, and entertainment screens. The upper deck offers panoramic views with floor-to-ceiling windows perfect for a lounge or even a private bedroom. The design screams comfort, class, and cutting-edge technology, blending Ferrari performance vibes with ultimate luxury living. Price. Since this is a concept Ferrari motorhome, it's not an official production model, but if Ferrari ever built it, the price would easily be in the range of $5 million to $10 million, given the design, customization, and exclusivity. It would compete with ultra-luxury RVs like the Marchi Mobile ELM and Palazzo, around $3 million. But with Ferrari's signature performance twist, imagine driving a Ferrari supercar that also doubles as a luxury villa on wheels. Would you take this pink Ferrari RV for a road trip, or keep it parked as the ultimate status symbol? Let me know in the comments.